Spirit. I just like to have fun.
Yeah. You ain't go right back?
It's gonna happen.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait.
But sometimes you gotta, go with your gut. Like, you gotta go full speed ahead, full throttle.
Pretty cool looking. Let's see him.
Think she gonna see that?
I don't know why he's doing it the hardest one. I think that's a male. I think I see.
Some condition.
I think I see
Just gotta
red.
wait and see. Gotta wait and see.
Maybe not. Maybe that is a female. It's the coolest sight ever. It's like a colorful miniature pterodactyl.
Hey, so you're the one Bree's waiting for.
Hey, wait, try the hardest one ever. There's other ones.
Tomorrow? I wonder is she nervous? Do you know?
She's been driving me crazy all day, asking if you're here yet.
It's pretty cool, man.
Tell her I love her and I miss her. And I can't wait to see her.
Okay, I will be, okay?
Okay.
Like those other
I'm
cakes
so
were full.
nervous.
You probably just put
Tell
that
me
one
you
in
need to do your hair,
there.
I'll do it for you.
Okay, yeah.
I got you. I used to do hair before.
Silly.
Be convict.
Well, at least he knows I'm there.
Be all good.
But
Married.
there should be another one.
All my dudes at home waiting for me. He better be waiting for me. My man, Caden,
Okay.
he means a lot to me. He's probably the best dude I've ever met in my life.